Hey guys, it's Shadozer here, and today we are playing reacting to, and that's not video, otherwise it is Super Mario Logan. And today we will be starting on it. 3, 2, 1, let's get started.
Another long day. Well, at least all I gotta do now is just clean. Then I get to go on break. What was that? Oh, Junior, what are you doing?
Playing with my new nerf gun.
New nerf gun? You're not supposed to play with guns. That's dangerous. You almost hit me.
I'm sorry I almost hit you, Chef Pee-Pee. I'll try again.
Oh, you bastard! What are you doing shooting me? You know what? I'm fed up with this, okay? I'm so done with you.
I'm sorry, Chef Pee-Pee. Where are you going?
Oh, Charlie, you're my idol. I freaking love you.
Well, he's watching the movie.
You watch the TV show. You laugh at all his jokes. You can't get enough of him. And now you can see him on the big screen.
Hi, I'm Charlie. My son's so holy.
Get ready for Charlie and Friends, the movie.
Yes! Yes! I gotta see it! I got to! Oh, Bowser, I'm so fed up with your son! Oh, what did he do now? He's been shooting me all night with his stupid nerf gun! Where did he get it from anyway? Well, I guess he got it earlier today. He kept bothering me. Oh, Dad, what is stupid nerf gun? What is nerf gun? I need to shoot something. So I just said, ugh, get out of my face. Here's a 20, go and get one. So I guess he got one. So can't you just take it away from him? He's been shooting at me and it hurts. It hurts. Well, sounds like a personal problem to me. You don't have any medical insurance, so I would tell you to duck. Oh, I'm so fed up with you, Bowser. You don't help me at all.
That is true.
Oh, I can't stand Bowser. Oh, he never helps me out. And his stupid son, ooh, his son. Oh, all he does is shoot me. Well, at least I'm almost done cleaning. Then I get to go on break. Oh, damn it! You bastard, come here!
I'm sorry, Chef Pee-Pee.
Look, you stupid piece of manure. I swear to God, if you shoot me one more time, if you shoot me one more time, I'm gonna make you choke on your own stupid gun, okay? It's gonna get stuck in your esophagus and you're not gonna ever talk again. Do you got me? I swear, try me. You little bastard!
You're not gonna catch me, Chef Pee-Pee. You're not gonna catch me.
Oh, I swear to God,
Here
when
he
I
comes.
catch you. Oh, where did he go? Where did get here!
Oh
comes
no!
up
Where do I go? Take that, Chef Pee-Pee. No more bullets. No more bullets.
I got you now! You're cornered! Who did this?
Well, you stepped in the wrong neighborhood, boy.
Oh, I can't stand this house!
Hey, you wanna play nerf guns?
I got a better idea than that.
Oh, I can't stand Toad and Junior and their stupid guns. It's just shooting me and shooting me and shooting me. Oh, I swear those guns should be illegal. Well, I'm done with the dishes. I think I'm done with all of my cleaning. I get to go on my break. Junior and Toad, put those damn guns down!
No, can't do it, Chef Pee-Pee. This nerf game.
Yeah, Chef Pee-Pee, this is nerf game.
We find no shots.
What are you two talking about? Stop shooting me! And what is this nerf game?
What? You don't know what nerf game is? Man, this man don't know what nerf game is.
Wow, tell him.
I'm gonna tell you. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you what nerf game is. All right, Chef Pee-Pee. You never heard of nerf game? Let me explain nerf game. What? Nerf game! Bang! Watch your foot! Bang! Stay still while I aim! Bang! You know it's nerf game! Bang! Bullets make it rain!
What?
This is not a game! Bang!
Baby in your brain!
That wasn't even my f***ing brain, you idiot! That was my eye! Why do you always hit me in my eye?
Whoops!
You know what? I'm so f***ing done with both of you stupid idiots. Okay? I'm gonna go and get my own Nerf gun, and I'm gonna teach both of you a lesson. Okay?
Take that, Chef Pee Pee.
Especially you. I'm done with you. I'm gonna choke you with the freaking Nerf gun. I'm gonna get my own Nerf gun, and I'll show them. They're gonna wish they never mess with me. Oh yes, I'm so ready now. Oh, they're gonna regret pissing me off. Let's go and find them.
Toad, should we be worried? Chef Pee Pee said he was gonna come back and shoot us.
Man, I ain't worried about Chef Pee Pee. That man weak.
Okay.
Look, I got my own cat right here. I'm just gonna lay back and relax.
All right, Toad, I trust you.
Are you okay?
Take that, Toad.
Toad, talk to me! Talk to me, Toad! Are you okay?
It's been fun working with you.
No, Toad, don't die! Don't die!
Nerf gang for life.
Oh my God! Chef Pee Pee!
You're next, Junior.
No! Dad! Open the door! Open the door! Chef Pee Pee trying to shoot me! Open the door, Dad! Open the door! Open it!
Die! Oh, who did that? Oh, I'm so sorry, Bowser. I really didn't mean to hit you. I was trying to hit your son, you see? I'm in trouble, aren't I? This is not right, Bowser. Bullseye! Stop! Stop! I'm gonna try again.
So guys, that was actually a reaction video. So what I think about this, they were having a Nerf war. Like no, Junior was harassing Chef Pee Pee with his Nerf gun. Then Toad came and helped Junior. That actually was like funny, yeah, kind of funny. And so that was Nerf video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we can do another one of our reaction videos. So yeah, this is shadozer here, and I'll see you out. Peace.